back to Carolina Coin Hunter. I'm Gene, and today I'm going to be talking about the Treasurepro. I did a field test of this machine, which I consider a really professional field test, considering I was doing a lost ring recovery. And I'm going to give you the circumstances. A person I met through my work, they kind of heard through the grapevine that I metal detected, and 5 years ago, this woman's husband was cutting grass and ran over a yellow jacket's nest in the ground and began swatting at the bees, and when he came back inside, he noticed his ring was gone. So it had a pretty decent sized little area, not very big, to hunt for this ring, and this area was really highly mineralized soil. There was lots of iron in the ground next to kind of like a wood pile. So pretty challenging conditions, and I gave the Treasurepro a try, so I was staking my reputation on it, and I'm glad I did, because you'll have to watch the video to see what happens. But Treasurepro worked fantastic. Discrimination was great. The ground tracking did very, very well in this really highly iron mineralized soil. Check out the video. Appreciate you watching.
Hey guys, just kind of showing you the Treasurepro. I ran this in the coin and jewelry mode, and you can see you just have some iron discrimination, and then a teeny bit of discrimination over here, which would help with any wraparound over like large iron objects, and the rest is pretty much standard stuff. I did it without headphones. The owners of the property, they were really interested in how metal detecting works and stuff. So what I really ended up doing was just walking around and talking to them and tagging lots of different spots with golf tees, so I could speak to them and just kind of show them how it works and what the signals are like and everything. But I was in coin and jewelry mode. I had the threshold audible, out in the open, and like that. I think 14 or 15 is what I had it on. Volume pretty loud. Coin and jewelry program. I ran it in 4 tones. Just used the standard discrimination. So, and I had the sensitivity on 6, which was really good. I figured that this ring wouldn't be crazy deep, even though that should pick it up. I figured even if it was 6-7 inches, 6 sensitivity would be fine. And this soil was really hot. A lot of minerals. I checked it out with my V3i and stuff just to get a measurement on that to see. That's one thing I like about it. It can kind of tell you your ground minerals. But so I gridded off this whole thing. Probably had 25 targets that I identified with the Treasurepro. So I stuck a golf tee in there and talked to them the whole time, and then once I started rolling the camera, I had an idea where go check out these targets and start digging, and really didn't take long. One thing I noticed about the Treasurepro is good signals usually turn out to definitely be something, like a nice solid signal. I really wanted to find this ring, so I marked a ton of signals that were iffy type signals, and really bouncing all over the place. And those signals turned out to be garbage. And anything that was solid, even though it wasn't a desirable object, like get pull tabs and stuff like that, that was definitely in that ring range. So I dug those, and they turned out to be what they were. So one thing about the Treasurepro is If it's really a crappy signal, I mean, that's up to you to dig, but it seems like the discriminator works really well on it. So if it's a really broken signal or extremely bouncy signal, it probably is some kind of trash or something with a lot of iron content. All the other stuff, you know, any ID is going to bounce around a little, but I mean, if it's a nice solid tone, then it's definitely going to be worth digging. But stay tuned for the video. Interesting. Copper penny. Looking for lost gold ring. Really highly mineralized soil here. A lot of iron. I marked a few targets ahead of time. Getting 38, 49, 47. An inch deep. Full tab. Definitely in the zone. For gold. Let's keep it going. really iffy. Let's see. We got some iron fossil. Digging a lot of just iffy stuff to make sure. There's a signal that was strong. Some foil. Another really strong one. The beaver tail. Ooh. Old pull tab. Pull tab, the old schools. and 1 platinum ring. Money. With the Treasure Pro. Yay. Awesome.